Here we go, guys. Tier 1 Baseball Group Break 1645. Gonna rip through a case of this. There's your teams. Nope. There's your teams. In case you forgot. Alrighty. Let's get at it, boys. Here we go. 12 boxes of goodness. I need that. 2016 Tier 1 Baseball. Boom. 12 boxes. Here we go. Let's get a knob. Let's pull a knob. That's what everyone wants. Oops. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. We're never going to get in. There we go. We got our first thick card. Holy cow. These used to be really hard to pull. All right, let's grab that relic on the back. To 99, Jose Canseco for the Oakland Athletics, M-Num. We got our first auto. To only 25, Blake Swihart for the Red Sox. Ed for Boston. Little, I don't know if that copper ink. And goes, I think, this way. For Boston, Henry Owens to 149, jersey auto. Bing. So Boston crushes box number 1. All right. Number 2 of 10. Holy smokes. Pablo Sandoval. 2 of 10. Boston. Next. Rookie auto to 149. Some guy named Corey Seager. For the Dodgers. Corey Seager, rookie auto to 149. And for the Cubbies, Soler to 199 with a pinstripe cabinet. We got a thick card in here. Either that or we got 4 cards. And I don't know what this is. It's definitely different. Tulowitzki to 99 for the Blue Jays. Cabinet, too low. Joey Bautista to 50 for the Blue Jays. Dual. And a Matt Shoemaker to 299 for the Angels. M-Num. And this is called a clear one autograph. This is kind of cool looking. Look at this. Miguel Sano to 25 for the Twins. That's a good card. Who's got Minnesota? Jay Holley. Wasn't that one of the... You got that in the filler, right? I think you did. Look at that card. Not too shabby for a filler. The auto's like on the inside. That is weird. The auto's in there. That's different. Carlos Delgado for the Blue Jays. Told you guys, prime performers. Auto to 249. Next, Rob Refschneider for the Yankees to 299. The Yankees checklist is insanely long. Adam Wainwright for the Cardinals to 199. John Bull pulling my Wayno. Next, Nathan Eovaldi for the Yankees. Everything's on card so far, I think. Even was the relic? No, the relic auto was a sticker. Carl Edwards Jr. for the Cubbies, rookie autograph to 249. Then our first relic, Addison Russell for the Cubs. And triple to 25, Josh Harrison for Pittsburgh. Biaganski. Triple to 25 of Josh Harrison. Prime performers. Frank Robinson for Baltimore. 1 of 50. Caddy. Nice one. Frank Robinson, 1 of 50. Starting to get a little shaky on that autograph, though. He's always had a pretty steady hand. Richie Schaefer to 299 for the Rays. Howie. And for Miami, Christian Yelich to 199. A Trujillo. This one's really light. This has got to have a redemption. Yep. What in the world? How about a Pablo to 25 for Boston? Let's do the relic and then we'll see the next card. Javier Baez to 50 for the Cubbies, dual. And the redemption. Oh! A bat knob. Holy crap. I don't know who. Oh, buddy. Guys. Tier 1 autographed bat knob redemption. Oh my gosh. Ah! Ah! It snuck up on me. Holy smokes. 1 of 1 knob auto. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to show it. I don't have a clue. I literally don't have a clue. You guys ready? Slow roll. Uh-oh, it looks like a long name. It looks like a really long name. Edwin Encarnacion, which I believe is the Toronto Blue Jays. No one was taking them. I think that's Toronto. EE. Boom. 101 bat knob auto. Doing what we do. But for real, all day we were like, Toronto's loaded. How are they still there? Toronto's loaded. How are they still there? I think they came down to a filler too. I think Jason got him in a filler. Holy smokes. Oh, man. Ridiculous. Oh, my gosh. 101 knobs. Knobs aren't normally autographed, so they're not normally redemption. So I wasn't even thinking knob. Whoa. Oh, I love Matheny's auto. For the Cardinals to 249. Check that out. Mike Matheny. Just a monster auto. He takes a lot of time every single time he signs. John Bull. Sick card, dude. Next, Richie Schaefer to 249 for the Rays. And I think we still have our Tier 1 autograph to go. Our case hit. I think. Yep. Gang, the 99. Gung Ho Gang, I think. Pirates. Oh. Oh. 23 of 25. I don't think he had a team, did he? I think this is going to be a random. We just pulled a Josh Gibson dual bat. He never played in the MLB, eh? I think that might be a 30-team random. Man, what in the world? Like I said, tier 1's hit or miss. We're hitting. We're hitting. It's a 30-team random on that Gibson, man. Everyone's got a shot there. Everyone. Holy smokes. Next up, Josh Harrison for the Pirates. Biagansky. And Soler to 199 for the Cubbies. Everyone having fun yet? And David Wright for the Mets to 199. Here's another redemption. Nope, never mind. Just 3 thin ones. Oh, sick. For Oakland, Ricky Henderson to 25. Imnum. Filler teams doing work. From a filler so far, we have a 101 knob of Encarnacion. We have the Miguel Sano to 25 clear autograph. And now we've got a Ricky Henderson to 25 for Oaktown. And there's your tier 1 auto, by the way. That's the case hit. Tier 1 auto. Next, Greg Bird for the Yankees to 249. Rookie auto. And 199 of 199, Mr. Justin Verlander for Detroit. Neil. Yep, no matter how many fillers you lose, when you hit, those teams hit. It's just breaking 101. You just take your licks and know that eventually they'll come through for you. Vince Coleman for the Cardinals. Another cool one. Then we've got a Zach Lee to 249 for the Dodgers rookie autograph. And Giancarlo Stanton to 199 for the Marlins jersey. So Ichiro, we haven't hit your Ichiro, but Yelich, Stanton relics for the Marlins. Little insurance policy for you. All right, here we go. We've got a Dallas Keuchel. I'm going to go to this one first. Felix Hernandez to 199 for the Mariners. Then we have the Keuchel to 249 for the Astros. D. Young. And to 299, Peter O'Brien for the Diamondbacks. Howie. Wow. All right. Let me set up the random, but 101 knob, Ricky, Sano, Seager rookie auto, and a Josh Gibson dual relic. I think it's safe to say that was a heck of a case. All right, let's see if random's going to cooperate right now. It is. Okay, so far. Cool. All right. Sweet. Here we go, guys. 30 teams. 3 times top person after the third random gets the Josh Gibson duel. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2. Third time's the charm. Boom. Cubbies. Cubbies. There they are on top. 3 times on the bottom for the win.